How to turn off the protection mode on the REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Today we're diving into something that's important for anyone who values their privacy and security on the REDnote. While protection mode is a great way to keep your account secure, sometimes you might want to turn it off. Whether you're looking to make changes to your profile or just want more flexibility, I'll show you exactly how to disable it. So let's just get started. First off, open up your REDnote app on your device, and if you're not already logged in, make sure to do so to access all of your account settings. And now once you land on the home page, tap on the profile section on the bottom right corner, and you'll have to find the gear icon to access all of your settings, so just tap on it. Now from here, you just want to head over to your privacy settings. So just tap on privacy settings and all of your interactions and your relationships settings will be shown right here. So as you can see, when protection mode is turned on, there are a few limitations on your profile where it says you first have to turn off protection mode to modify it. Go ahead and turn this toggle off. Now you'll have more flexibility on your account settings and you can have more interactions. That's how you easily turn off the protection mode on the REDnote app. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Hit like, subscribe, and bell icon for more tutorials. I'll see you guys on the next video.